Today I'm going to show you how you can use Apple Intelligence to summarize a certain website or a web article on your iPhone. So very first thing that you're going to want to actually do is go into your settings app. And you're going to want to make sure that you actually have Apple Intelligence toggled on. So once you're inside settings here, you can scroll down to where you see Apple Intelligence and Siri. Now, if you're not seeing this, it might be because your iPhone is not new enough in order to have Apple Intelligence. I believe it's on iPhone 15 and above. But once you're inside of here, you just want to make sure that you toggle on Apple Intelligence, go through all the menus that it will require of you, and just make sure that it's toggled on here. Now, to get it to summarize a certain text or a certain website or article on Safari, what we need to do is be on the page that we want it to summarize, and then we want to go to the upper left-hand corner over here and tap on this icon. Now, if your search bar is down at the bottom, well, it would be the same thing. It should be in the left corner. And then right here, we're going to see where it says highlights. Right now, it's not showing me a summary because I actually haven't turned it on yet. So there is an additional step here. You want to go to turn on. So now once you have it officially turned on, there's a couple different ways that you'll be able to see a summary. First and foremost, you should have this little icon up here, and it would have a star next to it if it automatically has a summary. If it doesn't have a summary, then you want to tap on this, and then you want to go to where it says show reader. So I can go ahead, tap on show reader, and now I'm going to get this little summary that pops up right here. We can select it, and then it's going to give me a little summary of the little web article here. Now there's other websites that actually already have the summary kind of built in for some reason. I don't know why Apple Intelligence does it automatically on some websites and not others, but let me show you an example. So with Britannica, if I go ahead and select this here, you're going to notice that I automatically get this little purple star icon next to the little list right here. And that means that it's automatically going to have the summary built in without actually having to show the reader. So if you're not able to see the summary, you just got to tap on show reader, and that should solve it for you. Otherwise, some websites are just going to have it there automatically. And again, I'm not really sure why Apple does this automatically on some websites and not others, but hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.